Hi there, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Want to welcome you back for our second project using the adorable Penguin Playmates Designer Series paper from the Summer Celebration event. I'm going to be pairing some of that paper today with the Penguin Place Bundle. So we'll be using the stamp set and the punch. Super, super cute. Okay, let's get on to our project. This has pretty minimal supplies, but it is super cute. So I've used some of the fresh freesia for our card base, and I've cut this 4 1/4 by 11 and then just scored it at 5 1/2. So I have kind of a standing card here like that. And then I have a piece of basic black, and then here is the designer paper I'm using on this one. It's just the little freesia snowflake pattern. On the back it has all the little small characters, but we're just going to use this fun little snowflake pattern for today. So let me go ahead and stick this on. Let me get that going there. We're going to adhere this to the top portion of our black cardstock, and I will have all the dimensions for the cardstock and the paper on my blog. There's a link in the description. So I have a piece of white, and I'm doing this in landscape mode, so it's a little bit it's wider than it is taller. And in the stamp set, this is a Penguin Place, we have this great hill, so I'm going to use this hill with some Memento ink, and I'm going to stamp 2 hills on my card here. I'm going to stamp one up higher. Okay, then we're going to stamp a second one a little lower, and I'm going to kind of angle it so I have like 2 different shaped hills a little bit. You could even flip it upside down if you wanted to do a hill going the other way. And then I'm going to just stamp Be Merry on the bottom right. Just a cute little small sentiment. And then on the inside, I'm going to do the season's greetings. I wanted something a little bit bigger for the inside. Now this is a card that we're doing in our workshops this month. So some of you may have already seen it if you've been to class, or you will see it. Some of you will see it on Tuesday. Anyway, the Be Merry is from this sentiment that says, be cool, be chill, be merry. And I just cut off the Be Merry because I just like that for a cute little sentiment. Okay, so next we're going to just cut off everything above this top hill. Okay, I'm leaving the black line because I'm going to need that. That's going to make my hill pop against that background of the stars. Isn't that cute? I love how you can just do that really easily. I was supposed to have some Tombow adhesive up here, and I don't think I have it. All my projects, all my blocks and colors and adhesives are downstairs ready for our Christmas in August event, which is tomorrow. Super excited about that. Okay, so I have already punched my penguin pieces. So this is the punch. You use, let me see if I can get this where you can see it with some light on it. This is the black part of the penguin. This is the white. And then there's 1 foot. So you need to cut 2 to make little feet. And I use pumpkin pie cardstock for that. So we need to stamp a little face on our penguin. So we have a pair of eyes. We're going to stamp with Memento. Okay, you want to use even pressure on that so that your eyes are the same size. If you stamp a little harder on one side, he has like a big eye and a little eye, which just looks a little bit wonky. Then I'm going to stamp a beak in pumpkin pie. This is so cute. All right, we're just going to use our seal adhesive since I don't have my Tombow up here. And now you can glue his feet so that they looks like he's standing up or sitting down. I'm trying to get some adhesive on there. I like him kind of sitting down on this card, so I'm putting his toes up. And he looks, he's going to be sitting on his little hilltop. Just like that. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. All right, let me get a couple dimensionals. We're going to pop him up. All right. Let's see if we can get that off. We're just going to pop them up like that and then put this whole panel on the card front. And that is it. How simple, and I've got a little, I don't know what I got on there, ink or something. Let's see if we can get that off. All right, so that's it for today's project. Now, if you want, you can take a little wink of Stella. Let me see if I have some. It's all in my projects downstairs. I have no wink of Stella up here. So what you can do with the wink of Stella, you can do a little wink of glitter kind of on the hills, and then you can also put it on all those little cute snowflakes if you want as well. Okay, so that is it for today's project. Check back on Monday. We have our third and final Fun Fold project using the Penguin Playmates Designer Series paper. So I will see you soon. All right, bye everybody.